Welcome to SciChat Mindset. In today's quick tutorial, we're exploring ExPASy ProtParam, a powerful online tool for analyzing the physicochemical properties of proteins from just a sequence. If you want to calculate molecular weight, isoelectric point, instability index, or other properties of your protein of interest, you're in the right place. That's how easy it is to analyze protein sequences using ExPASy ProtParam. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SciChat Mindset for more bite-sized bioinformatics guides.